What's good people, it's Cactus. I'm here with Diana Drill and we're going to be breaking down the track Heartless featuring Gigs.
There ain't no gal on my level, I put a bet on it. So when you mention my name, put some respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless.
So it all started when my guy Mazza reached out about producing a track for Diana Drill, because originally Gigs wasn't even supposed to be on the track. He sent me an acapella, a rough guide with a drum bounce like this. So we wanted that hard UK rap sound. So the first thing that I wanted to add was a bell. So I pulled up this preset in Electra X, and then I literally just started playing around on the keyboard until I came up with some catchy melody. Sometimes beats will take me like 2 hours to make, but this was one of my fastest beats to make. I literally just came up with a melody in like 2 minutes. So then with that melody, it sounded like this. And just for some variation, I had one section where it was pitched down an octave. The other section like this was pitched up an octave. After that, I just added one more layer. This is just a separate bell, another Electra X preset, and that just sounds like this. Really simple, but it just added a nice high end to the beat. After that, I wanted to get some low end in there, and then rather than an 808, I wanted to add a sub bass. So I pulled up something in Omnisphere and came up with this. Just a real thick sub bass. And then I think the only finishing touches after that was just an open hat hitting on some of the kicks. Just gives the kick a little bit more impact, and then just some rises from some of my drum kits. And that's it for the beat. This beat's like honestly one of my most simple beats. There's like 3 melodic things in there, it's crazy. A lot of my beats have like tons of layers. I make a lot of crazy orchestral beats, but with this one there was just so much space for Diana's vocals. So then everything together sounds like this.
There ain't no gal on my level, I put a bet on it. So when you mention my name, put some respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless. I swear they left me so heartless. There ain't no gal on my level, I put a bet on it. So when you mention my name, put some respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless.
What's good? I'm Diana Drill. I started making music in 2020 officially. Like, let's say I started writing in 2019, but I didn't release until 2020. My brother got sent away for a bit. I've been doing music on and off in my little head and in my little room to cheer him up. I was just sending him bits and bobs over, and then next minute my brother's on to me and he's like, come on, you need to, I'll hook you up with my boys, and we're gonna make sure that you push this. You need to get off all that madness. We find your lane. So he put me in touch with Mazza, and we just started making a few beats. The process of making this track came from originally Mazza had like made a little bit of the beat. We both sat there, we'd been in a studio session, working on other projects, but then we thought, all right, we'll just do something a bit fresh, lighten the mood a little bit. He showed me this part of the beat, and I was like, yeah, I can mess with that. So I did a little bit, and then we were like, no, do you know what, actually this could be something. So then he got in touch with Cactus, and then next minute he sent back this whole like masterpiece, and we weren't even actually supposed to have anybody else on the track, but I thought, come on, let's see who we can bring in on this. At the time, I can't lie, I was stalking Gigs hard, man. Trying it with the DMs, and eventually he reached back to me, and I just cheekily put it in there like, oh, I've got a track for you that I think we could do like a Mazza on. So we did that, and I sent it over, and luckily he responded, and it was a good response. And then next minute we got sent back his sample, and it is what it is. So the moment I did receive his verse back, that was like, raw, like he actually is feeling it. It's actually him as well, like, because I didn't believe none of it. It was overwhelming, man, and unbelievable. It was just crazy. Then we sent it on to Cactus, and then he just basically did his magic on it. The actual releasing of the track, that was like, I can't lie, it was jarring because we'd literally been trying to push it to get to be released. We were waiting for labels to reply, and in the end we ended up just releasing it independently because we just thought, come on man, we've got to go, it's now or never. Okay, so the track's out now, it's been doing amazing. Naturally it's going on the mixtape, so make sure you look out for that because it's going to be a hard body of work.
Respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless.
So me and Cactus started talking online around 2020. We met online, I think it was through Instagram. I liked what he was doing on YouTube. He was doing tutorials and stuff, and at that time I'd only just started producing. So he was someone I was taking a little bit of, he was giving me a bit of advice on the production side of things, and we always said it was just a matter of time before we linked up on a few records. So Heartless came about when me and Diana was in the studio. I think we had just finished doing her debut single, Diana Drill, because that was the first record I produced. And I was like, oh Diana, I just started this beat, what do you think? And she was like, yo, this is hard. And it was only just the drums and like a little melody. It was like, it wasn't even finished. And she straight away came up with a hook. And then she took a bit of time to work on a verse. But then we laid like a rough version down. And then I was like, you know what, this one here, I think this is the one that I'm gonna get Cactus to jump on. So I sent it over to Cactus. He sent it back, sounded fire. He added some bass, some melodic sounds to it, and that was it really. And then I just did some final touches, like I added some nice beat drops and some effects to it, and that's where Heartless was made. Me and Diana was then sitting in the studio when we had the finished version, and we was like, we can hear someone on this, and me and Diana was both thinking like, who though? And I know recently Giggs had shouted Diana out on one of his socials, on his Instagram. He had shouted Diana saying that he thinks she's sick. He posted one of her videos. So me and Diana was talking, and she was like, shall I be cheeky and just ask him if he would jump on it? Obviously we thought it was a long shot, do you know what I mean? Diana's new in the game, Giggs is a goat, but it was mad. She came back to me the next day and was like, yo, he's messaged me back. And we was both gassed. I was like, no, this is gonna be crazy if he jumps on it. We just left it to him for a couple of weeks. We didn't want to, every day we wanted to, like, every day I was like, yo, D, has he sent anything back yet? And she's like, no, should we message him? And then we thought, no, we can't prod him, you know what I mean? Let him do his thing. Literally about, it wasn't long, it was literally a week or maybe 2 weeks at the most. She got the email, innit? So she's like, yo, Mazza, I'm not even gonna listen to it without you, I'm gonna link you and we're gonna listen to it together. So we sat in the studio, she played it, and boy, we was gassed. Cause like, not only did he just give her a verse, like he gave her a reverse, like that was a real Giggs old school verse. So yeah man, we was over the moon with it and couldn't wait to get it out. So since that track's been out, obviously it's been getting crazy attention. It was in all the playlists on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon. Everyone supported it, whole industry. Since then, I've been having a lot of DMs on that because I haven't really been on socials. Like I said, I'm quite new to the producing thing, but I've been having a lot of artists wanting to work and stuff. So I've been working with a few artists. Also, me and Cactus have still been working back to back on a few records. We've got a couple more coming with Diana Drill and a few other artists in the future.
There ain't no gal on my level, I put a bet on it. So when you mention my name, put some respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless. I swear they left me so heartless. There ain't no gal on my level, I put a bet on it. So when you mention my name, put some respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless. I swear they left me so heartless. Can't talk about this life if you ain't living it. Stay up in your lane or get your skittle licked. I don't give a fuck, I've been a little shit. Them girls, they're a little mix. I ain't got a heart, I got a swinging brick. Real life kiddo shit. Never put my name in the dirt. I got my name ringing bells, and yeah, this name put in work. And me, I pay me the curb. I'm getting paid for a verse. Why you hateful and hurt? I put your name on a shirt. Look, I show love, I never get the same out of people. Cause bare eyes are evil, I spot them like measles. Man, I get them dotted like needles. Lift your whole top with this eagle. Pop goes a weasel. Put respect on my name, cause I've been checking the game. Few real, lot of fake, but the settings will change. I can bet 20k that these brothers are hate. Come and set the levels, then I'll set the levels again. There ain't no gal on my level, I put a bet on it. So when you mention my name, put some respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless. I swear they left me so heartless. There ain't no gal on my level, I put a bet on it. So when you mention my name, put some respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless. I swear they left me so heartless.
Making a statement, man whipped up basin to basin. You don't wait, you're impatient. So stupid, wasted replacement. Violence and violence, man's out here riding the tyrants. I'm in Barbados with no jewelry. I don't really wear diamonds and islands. Hey there, don't come over here, stay there. Gone over me, run over it, turn over, then you lay there. Rest of the quarter, invested, testing the water. So stay blessed in your corner, and don't mess with the order.
There ain't no gal on my level, I put a bet on it. So when you mention my name, put some respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless. I swear they left me so heartless. There ain't no gal on my level, I put a bet on it. So when you mention my name, put some respect on it. The things I've seen in my life have left me so heartless. I swear they left me so heartless.
Cactus.
Mazza on the track.